Out here in the West Desert, we got a few things going on here. As you see, still deciding on that guy. And there's one over there. Do I pull out the Canon 7D Mark II? Shot some wildlife earlier. Well, some wild horses. Let's see what's on here. Oh, look, there's a couple guys. All sorts of stuff. What's this guy doing? Oh, he's kicking a little fit there. Pretty sweet. 360 cam up top. Shooting a time lapse. Shooting time lapse that way, hoping the color was going to go that way, but it did not. That's shooting towards where the sun went down. And then I got a 6D over there doing a ramp. We'll see how long I stay, because the goal is to get Milky Way. Doing that. Here we go.